Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you trim in Premiere Pro. So guys, to trim or to cut a video, just like in this video, you need to just select this tool, which is called razor tool. So click on this, and after clicking on this, just select from here where you need to cut. Just like if I need to cut from here and here, then again click on this and select this option, and if you want to delete this, click on the top part of the video and click on delete or backspace from your computer keyboard, like this. Now just select this and make it like this, and here you can see the video is back together, but that part is not here anymore, like this. So guys, that's how you can cut, or you can cut the video in Premiere Pro. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.